So the last thing you need to learn about the imperative verb tense is all about the exceptions. Now there's not too many exceptions because it's not a big or complex verb tense, and there's only a few subjects, only a few rules. So we will start with the verb avoir, which by now you should mean to have, and it is a very useful verb to have. So with tu, it's I. Now for pronunciation, think more aye, Captain. But again, it's spelled with an I. Huh, look, another I. For nous, it's ayant, so that's more of the Canadian A sound. And for vous, it's aie, so we're just going to continue the Canadian streak. The next verb we have is être, which means to be. And it's also another useful verb to have around. So for tu, it's sois. For nous, it's soyons. And for vous, it's soyez. Now, there's an expression in French, soyez sage. Pardon that S there. Comme des images. Which directly translates to be wise like some pictures, which basically means be good. So a teacher, parent, older relative might say that to you, and that means you have to be on your best behavior. The next verb we have is savoir, which is one of our to know verbs, and it's the last verb in our little series here. So for tu, it's sache. For nous, it's sachons, and for vous, it's sachez, like the square dancing move. Now for pronouns, I've already sort of explained those to you, but in the imperative, and only in the imperative tense, they go behind or after the verb. So only in the imperative tense will the pronouns go after the verb. And you need to use what we call un trait d'union, which is French for a hyphen or a dash. So, tu me le donnes. You give it to me. So if we put that in the imperative tense, that would be done with no S, le, moi. So unfortunately, the song doesn't really help here because the imperative tense is backwards. So give it to me. And it reverts back to moi instead of me because that just sounds really, really weird. Now, vous dites la vérité à nous. You say the truth to us. So we'll put that with the vous and we'll put that with the nous as well. So with vous, it would be dites la nous. Once again, the it goes before the to me, to us pronoun. And then if we have that in the nous form, we will have, so vous dites la vérité à nous if you're answering the question, like we say the truth to you. That would be disons la vous. Okay? And that's it. That's all you need to know about imperatives.